JD, what are we doing?
Oh, I don't know, man. I'm chilling.
We're going to Jonathan's house, picking up car parts. Man, neighbor's kid over there in the yard is kind of weird. His vibe's off.
His vibe's off, dog.
But his dad's his mom, bro.
I was like, okay, man.
Is it at least a new oil?
There's a little bit of oil in it.
Alright, I don't know. The guy threw in some parts with it. Let's see what we got here. Dude, this thing is used as hell. That is literally... It's even got a dent in it.
Hey, he said it was in the box. He was like, oh, just go ahead and take it. I was like, okay.
Bro gave us an old dusty ass oil filter. Some bonus strut braces.
There's some bolts in there, so be careful.
Alright. And then here is what we have.
Oh, nice and golden from Heat Cycles.
Good old Tomei unequal length header.
There goes a bolt. The surfaces are pretty clean.
Yeah, man, let me get a look at them at that collector inside. Ooh.
Get all the angles.
And those welds are actually really good too.
Get all the angels. Oh, it don't have nothing for the bung.
And then this is the mid pipe and over pipe, stock over pipe.
I don't know. He just said take it. I was like, all right. I'll sell it for scrap.
Fuck it. Well, anyways, this is going to be going on the FRS soon. This is the Tomei unequal length Expreme header. So it should give us that sous vide rumble. When's the next day you're off, Jonathan?
Thursday.
Damn, I work Thursday.
And then you can, you know, go from what you sound now to.
Or like that. It's like a pulpwood truck. Jonathan, what are you doing?
I'm gonna see if one of these spare LEDs will fit your light. Hooking my homie up. And breaking stuff.
Hey, cuz.
Hey! Shut up.
Damn, this bitch is hot.
Yeah, it's incandescent.
But it's hot, though.
Like my mixtape. You're gonna have to forgive me, I'm shaking my blood sugar though.
Super hot. Hey, you put the backing plate back in.
Well, not if it don't fit. Come on.
Wait up.
Whatever, and it don't fit. Why would I sit here and add more work to myself? Oh,
Hook-
yes, hold on. There we go.
Hook them shits back up.
I'm always worried I'm gonna break tabs and stuff. Bet. That'll be $5.
Shit. Alright, so got that installed. Looks pretty good. Thanks, Jonathan. This is Jonathan's car. Locked us in his damn sex dungeon down here in his garage.
My car dirty, don't hate.
But his 350Z, he did the LED swap on his, and it's quite bright.
Still gotta get the vanities. Those should be in tomorrow.
Alright guys, so we have some new fog light bezels. These are gloss black. The factory ones are like a plastic color, and plus I'm missing one on the driver's side. If you saw my last video, you'll see the things wrong with my car. The previous owner hit something and busted out some aftermarket fog lights that were already on the car. They're like little LED strips or whatever. They're not that good. But anyways, these pieces are missing on the driver's side. So we have new one of these for this kit. We have the wiring harness pack. And then there should be a switch to go into the factory switch blank where the BRZ fog light switch would go. But you know, you don't have those on the FRS. So anyways, I got that. And then we have the actual lights assemblies. These are the clear ones, glass lenses. We wanted the yellow ones with the yellow lights, but apparently the tint on those is inside the lens and it deteriorates over time on the yellow ones. So what we're going to do is we went with clear ones, and we were just going to swap out the bulbs to yellow bulbs for yellow fog lights. It ought to look good with the black. So we got the Tomei unequal length header, and we have this stuff to install. And we're going to install the Tomei first because we're going to have to fix my bumper before we can install these. The bezels aren't going to hold in place because the lower piece of the bumper is busted backwards. It's cracked. So me and Jonathan are going to attempt to plastic weld the bumper back into factory shape, and if that doesn't work, then we're probably just going to drift stitch it because I want to get the 2017 plus GT86 bumper anyway. So that is the plan. This ought to hold us over until then. And so yeah, we're going to install the Tomei first this weekend. It is Monday. You guys are probably going to be watching this on Wednesday. So you'll see that install probably Sunday or Monday of next week. So anyways, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more if you're just checking into the channel. And other than that, guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.